New England, it's Truck Month at McMulkin Chevrolet. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and get the tough jobs done. Choose from hundreds of Silverados, the most awarded heavy-duty truck for 10 years running, or drive the versatile Colorado, named the top-rated truck of 2024. McMulkin has over 1,000 vehicles available. That's what you'd expect from New England's largest volume new Chevrolet dealer. Strength, style, and dependability so powerful, you'll feel unstoppable. That's why New England makes it McMulkin Chevrolet.